The Morumbi House exemplifies harmonious architectural design, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings through precise placement on the plot. Positioned transversely and set back from the street, the house fully embraces the sloping topography, enhancing environmental comfort and construction efficiency. The design features two distinct levels, each serving specific functions while maintaining a cohesive spatial flow. The ground floor houses the social and leisure areas, fostering an open, inviting atmosphere. Expansive glass openings and terraces create a strong indoor-outdoor connection, allowing natural light to flood the interiors and offering views of the surrounding greenery. On the lower level, private quarters, an office, and service rooms are carefully arranged for privacy and comfort. Nestled into the natural slope, these spaces maintain a direct connection with nature through garden courtyards and well-placed windows, ensuring natural light and ventilation. The relationship with nature is central to the Morumbi House's design. Lush greenery surrounds the residence, integrating gardens, mature trees, and native plants into the architectural concept. This integration not only enhances biodiversity, but also contributes to thermal comfort by creating a cooler microclimate. The elevated positioning of the rooms, influenced by the natural incline, provides captivating views of the landscape, fostering a sense of openness and tranquility. The Morumbi House is a refined balance of architecture and nature, blending beauty with functionality. Its design, deeply rooted in the landscape, delivers both comfort and elegance, making it a notable example of contemporary residential architecture.